It's time to ready up! If you don't ready up, then spiders will be in your house at 3 a.m. If you don't like my videos on YouTube and subscribe, there will be angry seagulls.
I'm not gonna lie.
At 3 a.m. They will descend on your house and eat your roof.
Wait.
So you better go like the videos really quickly.
Did you say spiders?
Yeah, there are spiders. And then the seagulls will descend on the spiders. And then all of this chaos will happen if you don't like the videos. That's it. How are we gonna go?
Dude, my mom is terrified of spiders. Could you only imagine if, like, a giant spider would be on the roof? She'd be like in the movie, she would be like, she would be traumatized, bro.
So don't take her to Australia.
I'm just kidding, my boy. I'm just kidding. Well, you know, you'll get a sad feeling if you don't subscribe. You know, that's how it is.
The flanger.
The plan says, yes, the plan says, what the plan says, you want the plan says. The plan says, animals.